stronger with the latest generation of our new Aura Edition portfolio that we are announcing today. From the iconic ThinkPad X1 and X9 to the powerful Yoga series, Aura Edition redefines what premium means. Powered by Intel latest Core Ultra 300 series processor, Aura Edition delivers smarter AI acceleration and greater efficiency. So, what do these AI PCs do for you? Coming soon with Lenovo Kira, you get enhanced personalization and superior intelligence. You will also benefit from all-day battery life, security, and top user experiences like smart modes. For the first time, Aura Edition expands beyond laptops with a stunning ThinkCenter X and Yoga 32-inch all-in-one desktops. So get ready, the best in AI PCs is here. Now let's talk about our best ever AI phones. If you are thinking of switching from another brand, now is the time to do it. Motorola has been on an incredible run, especially in the premium space. Our Motorola Razr family, the #1 in North America. And today, we are taking that leadership even further. I'm excited to introduce Motorola Razr Fold. This Razr Fold gives you a bright 8.1-inch display. The large screen boosts your creativity. For example, the new Moto Pen Ultra and the Sketch-to-Image feature turns every rough sketches into stunning, true-to-life images with AI. Razr Fold will also be enhanced by Motorola Kira features like Catch Me Up that Angelina showed us earlier, giving you a more intuitive and connected experiences across all your devices. And for those photo enthusiasts, you will have a best-in-class camera that rivals anything in your pocket. More details coming this spring, but for now, just know the next generation of foldables begins today. And that's not all. Say hello to our new franchise launching this week, introducing Motorola Signature. This is the most refined phone we have ever created. The first of its kind with 4 50-megapixel cameras that captures every moment and every memory in stunning clarity. Crafted for those who demand the best in technology, design, service, this ultra-thin phone delivers an array of exclusive experiences. And thanks to Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, you get lightning-fast performance and soon the very best on-device AI with Motorola Keynote. Also coming up, we will launch a special edition with Swarovski crystals, inspired by the constellations, bringing mobile luxury to new heights. But luxury is not just about sparkle. It's about self-expression, and we are passionate about bringing together iconic design and innovation. And our partnership with Pantone, the global authority on color, is another example of that vision. sustainable woods, luxurious Alcantara, vegan leathers, and Swarovski crystals. We are bringing color and finishes that stand out in a world of black and gray. From phones that express who you are, to PCs that adapt how you work, create, play, and live, we are reimagining how you connect with the world. At the center is Lenovo Qira, a new kind of intelligence that orchestrates multiple agents across all your devices. Lenovo's Qira evolution is not a solo endeavor. It's made possible with partners like Microsoft. And for more on that, I'm proud to invite on stage Microsoft Consumer Chief Marketing Officer, Yusuf Mehdi. Thank you. Yusuf, great to see you.
Great to see you, my friend, Luca. This is incredible, and congrats on these great announcements.
So, Yusuf, we just introduced Lenovo Qira. People will wonder, how does it work with Microsoft Copilot? How are we bringing together to create better experiences across all devices?
Well, first off, congratulations on the announcement. We're thrilled to bring the full power of Microsoft technology to Lenovo Qira. With Azure and Windows Foundry, we're going to provide the most advanced AI models and infrastructure to deliver consistent performance for people wherever they engage with their devices. As we charter this path together, we're going to do more and more integrations between Copilot and Qira. Simply put, we're going to make sure that we deliver smarter, more intuitive, natural experiences that do what you were talking about, Luca, unify the experiences across devices.
So, a lot of work with Qira, and our relationship, I would say, is rooted in redefining what technology can do. And we have transformed the PC experience repeatedly. So AI now accelerated this. Am I right?
Absolutely. As you know, well know, Luca, we've been working together to transform how we interact with our PCs. Together, we've reimagined over the last couple of years the PC completely from the inside out. Whether how it works, how we design, to bring new capabilities like AI naturally into the flow, to change the very nature of how you interact with your PC. It starts with being able to simply interact with your PC by talking to it, or just texting and asking for what you want. And then your PC should be intelligent enough to understand the full context with your permission of what you're working on. Features like Copilot Voice and Copilot Vision make that possible, giving you effortless ways to engage. When you want to get something done, you simply just talk to your PC. Yeah. And when you share your screen with Copilot Vision, it can understand the context of what you're working on, with your permission, of course, and then give you smarter suggestions, faster help, and ideas tailored to your task. Together, we've also re-architected the PC to do on-device AI, which gives you better privacy, better latency, better performance, with the full power of the cloud behind it. So intelligence is built in, it's natural and ready whenever you are.
Yeah, and now the next step, we are bridging a seamless experience between phone and PC. Maybe you tell us more about that?
Well, this is one of the things I'm most excited about. Because people today live, obviously, we all live across devices, many devices, and we expect it to be a seamless experience. So we're delighted to partner with you to bring Copilot to your Motorola phone and to have that be a seamless experience. So simple things like being able to have text messages between your PC and your phone will now work. Motorola users will get access to the Copilot app right on the home screen, or if you click in the search bar, so you can start asking questions simply right within Copilot. And with our new Miko appearance, that's even available, so you can talk to that on your device. It's expressive, it's customizable and warm. Maybe not for everybody, but it's really fun. And it even calls on old friends to help from time to time. Hey, Clippy.
Wow.
Lenovo and Motorola are uniquely positioned with both phone and PC capabilities. We're so excited, Luca, to partner with you and Lenovo to pioneer this important scenario and to bring great credible experiences for everybody.
Thanks, Yusuf. Phenomenal partnership. Thank you so much.
Luca.
Thank you. All right. We are evolving wearables like the Lenovo concept glasses that you just saw earlier, and that passion to bring together fashion and self-expression continues. This AI proof of concept, we call it Project Maxwell. This is the next bold step. Developed by Motorola 312 Labs, this wearable AI concept can be worn as a pin or as a pendant. It hears what you hear and sees what you see, always, of course, with your permission. And thanks to Motorola Kira, it is your personal assistant on the go. I've set it up to listen to my remarks today. Hey Kira, how am I doing so far?
Right on track, Luca. Now it's time to wrap things up.
Okay, will do. So, every breakthrough we have shared today began with one simple focus, and that's you. Your needs and that your trust drive every innovation we create at Lenovo. We have amazing partners joining us in this journey, including Qualcomm. Together, we are taking wearable technology and more from concept to reality. So, please join me in welcoming back YY, together with my good friend, the CEO and President of Qualcomm, Cristiano Amon. Thank you. Thank you.
Cristiano, welcome to Lenovo Tech World. We just saw Luca showcase Motorola's new wearable proof of concept, Maxwell. So we are working with Qualcomm on many more these kind of AI native devices. I believe this is an emerging category with huge potential in billions of units. The opportunity to transform wearables and even fashion industry is probably now. Every kind of wearables will have its smart edition. So Cristiano, our audience are eager to know how Qualcomm technology is driving your leadership in AI and how Snapdragon powers the next generation device category. So let me leave the stage to you.
Very good. Happy to speak about it. Thank you so much, YY. Thank you for the opportunity to be here. You heard the man, billions of devices. Look, this is an exciting time for technology, but I want to start this conversation by saying it's incredible when two companies have a shared vision of the future. As I was watching YY presentation and talk about the different scenarios across devices and the experience for personal agents, this is exactly how we think about it at Qualcomm. I feel this could be, like a Qualcomm event talking about the evolution of Snapdragon, the age of AI. So, and this is incredibly exciting because it's going to materialize on the new class of devices. And I like this concept of intelligent wearables. It's going to be like your true personal AI device. It's going to be your companion. And it's interesting because with your permission, it's going to have your data, the data that is relevant to you, the data that is going to stay on device, the data is going to go on the cloud, is going to react in real time, it's going to be intuitive, it's going to have context, it's going to merge the physical and digital world for you, and it has to be fast, otherwise it's not useful. You need to get an instant response for your agent of your companion. And for us at Qualcomm, we kind of see this is actually the new mobile device category that is going to be alongside your phone. A phone is an incredible thing. It's the #1 consumer electronic device, and it will continue to be there, even though it's changing its nature with processing. But those new classes of personal AI devices are going to be a big opportunity. I actually don't think it's unrealistic to think it's going to go into billions of devices. We see the potential to be to 10 to 100 million in the next couple of years, and it's going to be very big. And what is interesting is the reason we talk about wearables in those personal AI devices, because humans already decided what they're going to wear. And there's going to be glasses and jewelry and pendants and rings and bracelets and pins. And this is the opportunity that the tech industry is going to merge with the fashion industry. And some companies, and I think Lenovo is one of those companies, started to understand this opportunity. And you actually have the ability to make everything smart. And we're incredibly excited about this. And we're working with Lenovo and Motorola in building a multitude of those devices. And they range from smart glasses. It's very intuitive, especially when you think about see what you see, hear what you hear. It moves with your head, but it's going to be necklace, pendants, as you see. You have some pins, as you saw with Maxwell. And this is incredibly exciting opportunity. And to make all of this reality, you have a lot of technology. So those are very small devices. They have to be power efficient. They have to have a lot of computing. They have to have connectivity. They have to have the ability to run models locally. We're talking about the ability on a Snapdragon chip to run multi-billion parameter model devices in some of those tiny wearable devices. It pushes the boundaries of technology, including we have to reinvent connectivity. We have, for example, the ability to do Wi-Fi and the power profile Bluetooth, so you can go away from your phone and get an IP address and continue to be connected to the agent, all the way to cellular connectivity. It's an incredible opportunity. It is a unique technology that we're doing, I think, with Snapdragon. And some of the things that you saw actually behind the screen, like Kira, you know, there's technology from an always-on low power that is listening to the wake word. It runs a lot of those AI on the device together with the cloud with hybrid AI. And I think this future of hybrid and edge AI is very significant. And I'm going to make a prediction as I finish this conversation. It's very clear to us that the value of the edge data is very significant because the edge data provide real-time context that are unique to you. And I actually believe whoever mastered the ability to harness the edge data and provide something that is relevant to you will be the winner of the AI race. So this is an exciting time, I think, for technology, and we're very proud of this partnership with Lenovo on sharing this vision and doing this. And our partnership with Lenovo is not just about those personal device category. It spans from what we have been doing in mobile with Motorola, AI PCs, tablets, desktops, and even the opportunity to do high-performance inference with appliance. And this is where I believe we have an incredible opportunity with technology and with Snapdragon. When you think about unplugged performance and parallel connectivity and the ability to run hybrid AI. This is exciting. I think we're very optimistic about the future of technology, and we're very, very proud of this partnership between Qualcomm and Lenovo. Let me now invite YY back on stage. Thank you.
Thank you, Cristiano, for your great partnership. Together, our innovation never stops and only accelerates. You just feel the speed. You just heard the power. And it's more than just the racing. It's the fastest enterprise in action. Where are the Formula One fans here tonight? Yes, myself included. Lenovo is the proud sponsor and a global technology partner of Formula One, the most technologically advanced sport in the world. Every Formula One season, teams push the limits of human endurance, collaboration, and innovation with one goal: go faster. At Lenovo, we empower that drive. Each event weekend, the Formula One team transfers 600 terabytes of data. The data is received, stored, processed, and distributed through Lenovo technology. Our PCs, workstations, servers, storage, and advanced solutions. Even more, for the 2026 season, in Formula One's data centers, Lenovo's Neptune liquid cooling solution is significantly boosting energy efficiency over traditional air cooling, saving costs and helping our planet. It takes a powerful, sustainable, and robust computing infrastructure to bring you such a thrilling experience. Formula One is just one of the examples. We actually can help many other industries to smartify their operations. At its heart is a new generation of computing infrastructure. This computing infrastructure market has experienced 4 waves of innovation. The first wave was about the traditional compute, supporting enterprise digitalization. The second wave was cloud compute, driven by the rapid rise of the cloud services and applications. The third wave was definitely AI compute, led by large language models, which need massive CPU, GPU compute clusters. But the AI compute includes training and inferencing. While AI training remains largely on cloud, AI inferencing needs to bring compute closer to where the data is generated. So the next wave definitely will be the booming of AI inferencing. So putting powerful devices on-prem, at the edge, and in your hands will be the trend. When inferencing and data generation are closely located, so you will get faster responses. If you run a factory, inferencing on edge means you will receive real-time maintenance alerts. So this saves time and money. If you own a chain store, you will get immediate notifications when inventory gets too low. So you will stock the shelves and sell more. AI inferencing on-prem gives you a real competitive advantage. At Lenovo, we are determined to lead in this new inferencing era. So public cloud, private cloud, on-prem data center, and the edge together form hybrid computing infrastructure. This will be the foundation to unleash Lenovo hybrid AI advantage. So how does the Lenovo hybrid AI advantage work for you? Besides running on robust hybrid computer infrastructure and working with the enterprise data and the knowledge, it enables you to match the right AI model to the right task, using lightweight models for easier routine checks, such as detecting a defective product, and using more advanced ones for harder, complex challenges, such as production scheduling or demand forecast. Then it orchestrates multiple domain agents to access and extract the relevant information, enabling them to generate plans and take actions. By integrating hybrid computing infrastructure, data and knowledge, AI models, and agent platforms, we build our AI factory and then create a library of AI solutions for full value chain, from sales marketing to services, from R&D to supply chain, from finance, HR to legal, and for a wide range of industries, combined with the AI services that are ready for action and ready for you. So this is the Lenovo hybrid AI advantage. Ultimately, every enterprise will probably build its own super agent, just similar to Lenovo Keynote in personal AI. It will integrate all data generated from all applications, coordinate all domain agents across value chains, and create insights and value for the business. To hear more, I would like to invite our end-to-end strategic partner to join me. Please welcome Chair and CEO of AMD, Dr. Lisa Su. Hi, Lisa.
Hi.
Welcome back to Lenovo Tech World stage.
It is wonderful to be here amongst all this incredible people.
So Lisa, I just talked about the AI democratization wave is coming. AI inferencing is happening more and more on-prem and on edge. So today I'd like to invite you to join me in announcing an important product in enterprise AI.
Absolutely, YY. You know, AI is really transforming every industry, and enterprises everywhere are asking the same question. How do I bring AI closer to my data with the flexibility to grow and evolve over time? That's exactly what we're working on together.
Yes, Lisa. So today we are introducing Lenovo's latest AI inferencing server featuring AMD EPYC processors. So this new server delivers powerful on-prem AI inferencing, so our customers can unlock real-time insights, make faster decisions, and keep their most valuable data secure.
YY, I am so excited to showcase the new ThinkSystem SR675i. It's really a great example of how we're bringing AI closer to where customers' data lives. And with AMD EPYC at the core, we've created an AI-ready platform that delivers outstanding inference performance today with Lenovo and gives enterprises the flexibility to really evolve over time, including future support for AMD Instinct accelerators as part of Lenovo's broad portfolio.
Thank you, Lisa. Next, I'll give you the stage to share a little bit more with our audience.
Thank you. You know, we are at the very early stages of a new era of computing. One where AI becomes a capability that lives everywhere, in data centers, in factories, in hospitals, in PCs, and at the edge. For enterprises, AI can't just be powerful. It has to be open, efficient, and trusted. You need to run AI in the cloud, on-prem, and at the edge, using your own data on your own terms, with the freedom to choose the right mix, whether it's CPUs or GPUs or other accelerators and software. There is no one answer for AI. As inference demand accelerates, AI isn't just growing, it's accelerating. Customers are asking for systems that can handle much larger models and higher throughput inference, not just a single server at a time. And that's why rack-scale AI infrastructure is becoming so important. To further build on our partnership, I'm really pleased to share that Lenovo will be one of the earliest system providers to adopt AMD's Helios rack-scale AI architecture. Helios is a new blueprint for AI infrastructure, the foundation for the next era of compute. It brings together AMD EPYC CPUs, Instinct GPUs, Pensando networking, and our ROCm open software stack into an open, integrated platform for large-scale AI workloads. At the center is our next-generation AMD Instinct accelerator, the MI455X. It is absolutely the most advanced chip we've ever built. Designed for massive throughput, an industry-leading amount of high-bandwidth memory, and the efficiency to power the most demanding AI systems in the world. With Lenovo adopting Helios, customers will have a clear path from on-prem enterprise workloads on the ThinkSystem SR675i to the most demanding training and distributed inference workloads on rack-scale AI systems, using the same AMD end-to-end technologies together with Lenovo. We really believe that the future of compute is built on deep collaboration across the entire ecosystem. We're building this end-to-end portfolio, and I am so proud of the partnership between AMD and Lenovo because we really are across all areas, from EPYC CPUs and Instinct GPUs here in the data center to adaptive computing and Ryzen AI on the PC, all on an open software foundation. Customers can deploy AI wherever it creates the most value, and that will change over time. Together with Lenovo, we are delivering performance, openness, and choice, so AI investments can translate into real-world business outcomes. Now let me invite YY back to the stage.
Thank you, Lisa. Lenovo is pleased to be one of the earliest system providers to adopt the AMD Helios rack-scale AI architecture. So together, we will deliver a new class of rack-scale systems for high-performance training and inferencing for our customers.
Thank you, YY. We are super excited.
So next, let's hear from the leaders of Lenovo Infrastructure, Solutions and Services Groups, Ashley Grokvavala and Ken Wang. First, let's welcome Ashley.
Hello, Lisa.
Hi, Ashley.
Okay, Ashley, we will see you in a bit.
Thank you. As you just heard, enterprise AI starts with data. Every click, every transaction, every interaction, it's an opportunity waiting to happen. To make the most of that opportunity, you need a hybrid infrastructure that connects data in your cloud, in your data center, or at the edge, running workloads exactly where they matter the most. Because let's be real, AI without infrastructure, it's like an F1 car without an engine. It looks great, but it goes nowhere. And as YY said, infrastructure is the foundation of our Lenovo hybrid AI advantage. Our validated AI factory solutions turn your data into action, fast, secure, from sales to supply chain, and from marketing to manufacturing. So why does that matter? Because today, AI must operate in real time, stopping credit card fraud as it happens, analyzing MRIs instantly, personalizing customer interactions with AI agents. And when your data lives in the public cloud, you need flexibility, scalability, speed. That's why 8 of the world's top 10 cloud service providers trust Lenovo. We don't just supply cloud technology, we engineer it. You see that in our global factories. Innovation and design, quality and build, and expertise in deployment. But building great infrastructure doesn't stop at the factory. It spans your entire hybrid environment, from storage to IT operations to cooling. Like our innovative, industry-leading Neptune liquid cooling. You cut energy use by 40%, you boost performance, and you hit your sustainability goals. That level of innovation sets the stage for the next era of AI. Up to now, the focus has been on building AI, model development and training. The next wave, using AI at scale, at speed, across every function of your business. And so how do we do that? By bringing AI to your data anywhere. That's where AI inferencing comes in, turning trained models into action. agents, chatbots, computer vision, all making decisions in milliseconds. But inferencing technology faces some well-known bottlenecks. There's memory, latency, security, energy. At Lenovo, we're solving for all these challenges with purpose-built infrastructure designed to power AI at the speed and scale of modern business. So today, I'm excited to introduce the most inferencing optimized portfolio in the industry. First, the SR675i. Internally, we call it the Beast, optimized for high token throughput, low latency AI inferencing at scale. With Neptune liquid cooling, unmatched GPU density, and massive memory, enough to run a full LLM anywhere, it brings AI inferencing where you need it most. Imagine healthcare. Your patient comes in for an MRI. 30 gigabytes of private imaging data streams off that scanner. AI inferencing analyzes the data where it's created, supports diagnosis, organizes the scan, links it to the patient history. The impact? Life-changing efficiency, faster decisions, better outcomes, lower compute costs, all while keeping patient data private. So next, the SR650i. The sweet spot server for most inferencing workloads. It's engineered for peak performance, already holds 5 AI inferencing world records. In financial services, fraud detection shifts from reactive to real-time protection. Every card swipe, login, transaction is securely analyzed by advanced models delivering agent-driven responses and remediation in milliseconds. The result? Your customers enjoy seamless, secure banking, and you get smarter, faster fraud detection. So finally, the SE455i. This is the Anywhere server. It's bringing AI inferencing to the edge, where data is generated, tokens created, decisions happen instantly. Built for demanding environments, it turns raw inputs like basic computer vision into proactive automated workflows. Let's take retail. An AI agent analyzes live video and the purchasing data, predicts inventory needs, and schedules an associate for restocking. No lag, no cloud delay. Just real-time intelligence powering smarter retail operations. The outcome? Your shelves are stocked, your shoppers helped instantly. And as AI evolves, your entire enterprise should evolve too. With Lenovo TrueScale Infrastructure as a Service and our new hybrid AI factory services, you can deploy and manage AI inferencing workloads anywhere. These solutions make your business smarter and your vision unstoppable. So, speaking of unstoppable, there's one team that proves what's possible when imagination meets technology, rendering ultra-high resolution content at incredible speed from amazing, fully immersive experiences like the Wizard of Oz at Sphere to powering everything you're experiencing here today. Please join me in welcoming the President and CEO of Sphere, Jennifer Koster. So Jen, it's great to be with you here in this incredible venue. I think when people think of the Sphere, they think of an experience, unlike anything else. A place where technology meets creativity at a scale few could have imagined. So Jen, over to you.
Thank you, Ashley. At Sphere, our mission is to bring wonder to the world. And there's advanced technology behind every aspect of how we do that. It's designed around the experiences we want audiences to have. Sphere is an experiential medium, one where you're not just watching content, you're immersed in it through sight, sound, scent, feel, and emotion. As you've seen today, these immersive experiences can take you anywhere. And that innovation behind so much of what we do at Sphere begins at Sphere Studios, where our artists and technologists imagine and create experiences to transport audiences together. And to push boundaries this far, we need bold partners equally committed to innovation. And Lenovo is one of those partners. Lenovo understands the scale, the complexity of what we create, and the infrastructure and expertise is powering many of the high-speed workflows that are fueling what you're seeing here today. So one of the best examples of Big Sky, our proprietary camera system. Nothing existed that could capture imagery at the scale and quality needed for this display. It's the highest resolution LED screen in the world. So, like much of the technology powering Sphere, we had to design and build it ourselves. And now, we have 5 patents issued, 10 more pending in the US, and applications filed around the world. Each element of Big Sky is a leap in innovation. From the first of its kind 18K sensor to how we process the data. We're delivering 40 times the resolution of 4K with frames that are more than 70 times larger than traditional HD. Big Sky generates 30 gigabytes per second of raw data. As you can imagine, this requires extraordinary compute power. And that's where Lenovo helps make the impossible possible. Lenovo's workstations and infrastructure transform Big Sky's raw data into full color images, along with handling the complex grading, compositing, and rendering. It's a true fusion of technology and creativity. And without Lenovo, we couldn't move from capture to final render at the quality or the speed that we need. And as you can see, the results speak for themselves. So now we're really excited to show you more about Big Sky and how, with the help of Lenovo and their processing power, we are pushing boundaries to bring wonder to the world. One last thing, pay attention to the final shot for a world-first look at some mind-blowing footage captured by Big Sky. It's from a place that very few people have had the opportunity to visit.
Itself is ambitious. It required an ambitious studio to realize that vision. Every show here demands novel thinking. Our medium is immersive, where the audience is part of the experience. To do that, we designed a screen sharper than the eye can see. And because there isn't a camera in the world that can fully meet the resolution demands of our media plane, we invented one.
We have been given an opportunity to create a tool that abets a completely new way of thinking. Big Sky isn't just the highest resolution camera system in the world. Big Sky is an entire ecosystem. A capture platform that includes lenses, recording media, bespoke accessories, and a whole end-to-end pipeline from pixel in to pixel out. It's a complete rewrite on how we approach images. It's an incredible feat of engineering. I mean, the lens follows you. The resolution and pixel density of our cameras and display planes is guided by what we need to trick the brain into seeing reality, turning our screen into a window and convincing audiences that they are somewhere they're not. We've designed systems to long-line Big Sky 200 feet off a helicopter, hundreds of feet underwater, hard-mounted to a race car, a roller coaster. We want to take you to places you can't otherwise go. We have a workshop with equipment designed to make this camera as usable and as functional as possible. And our foot's still on the gas. We're continuing to innovate and evolve and push boundaries on what is possible in every way.
You're so immersed in the storytelling and what's going on the screen and around you. We use our capture platform to make that happen. Those skies in the Wizard of Oz experience were shot in spectacular fidelity with Big Sky. The footage is 18K by 18K, 60 frames per second uncompressed. The unprecedented volume of data is matched only by the processing power of the Lenovo workstations that we rely on. That's the foundation of our partnership with Lenovo.
Sphere is one of one. It's not just a venue. It's the most powerful canvas in the world for artists, brands, and audiences. Has transported audiences all over the globe. And now it's taking us even further.
Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Sphere. What you just saw is what happens when breakthrough creativity meets real-time data processing. And that same transformation is reshaping every industry, where inferencing turns intelligence into action, powered by the right infrastructure, services, and solutions. To show you how we're making enterprise AI real, please welcome to the stage Ken Wong.
Thank you, Ashley. Tech World! It is fantastic to be here with all of you. By now, I hope you agree it is time to lean into AI. Or as Gwen Stefani would say, what you waiting for? Sorry, too early for party. Thank you. Now, today, I want to show you how the Lenovo Hybrid AI Advantage is helping customers to deliver incredible results. So far, you have heard about the AI factory, the technology engine. But technology alone isn't enough. We know from talking with customers around the world and across industries, including some of you here tonight, that putting AI to work is challenging. It can feel overwhelming when you need to know, how do I show ROI? Do I have the right people? What about data governance? That is why we have Lenovo AI Services. If you're not sure where to start, we'll show you what is possible and help you develop your plan. If you know the outcomes you want, we'll deploy the solution, the right solution to deliver them. And if you're not ready to manage AI long term, we can do that too. So you can stay focused on your business. And also with Lenovo TrueScale, you get the flexibility to scale up and down according to your needs. The third part is the Lenovo AI Library. Unlike anything else in the industry, and it makes AI simple. It contains hundreds of proven solutions ready to be tailored to your business. They are already working for customers across industries, like ones that many of you working in today. From retail and sports to transportation and manufacturing. When you start with the library, you get to value faster, often in under 90 days with far less risk. One example is XIQ Workplace, an AI platform that helps IT manage its resources while keeping employees productive and happy. Now that might sound like a Las Vegas magic trick, but it's actually AI at work, where every employees get the right device, right software, and the right support. Because if you're a designer, you need a high-performance AI workstation with advanced creative tools. But if you're in sales, you want an AI PC that updates customers' record every meeting. Now, for you IT folks here tonight, the next part is for you. Now, behind the scenes, the solution constantly monitors your environment, resolving issues before they interrupt your work. Now, when you put all these together, you get a better employee experience, lower support costs, and more IT issues resolved proactively. This is like hitting the jackpot here in Las Vegas. Now, the AI library also includes solutions purpose-built for specific industries. Manufacturing is a great example. Now, recently, many of us celebrated holidays that include giving gifts. Now, I have 2 college students in my family, and their wish lists were a mile long. Now, before any product can be bought or sold, it goes through a manufacturing process that can include hundreds of interactions around the world. Now, making sure everything runs smoothly is complicated. That is where Lenovo iChain comes in, our AI-driven supply chain platform that manages the entire process like a finely tuned orchestra. We know it works because Lenovo uses iChain every day to build and ship more PCs than anyone in the world. For example, our new ThinkBook Auto Twist is made up of more than 2,700 components coming from different corners of the world. iChain is the conductor that brings them all together. It uses AI to get every part to the right place at the right time. So no matter what happens, from severe weather to supply shortages, the process keeps moving without missing a beat. And once the PC are assembled, they're shipped to more than 180 markets worldwide. So with iChain, we always find the best route to get our products to you. That is Lenovo's global local in action. Now, for all of those wish lists, like the one I got for my kids, they all get fulfilled on time. Another library solution is our AI-enabled robotics. Now, I want to show it to you because, first, I believe it will be the part of the next big wave of AI applications. And second, it's really cool. So let's look. For one of the world's largest power grids, we, Lenovo, developed our AI-powered robodogs. They inspect every part of the grid, navigating all types of terrain, and they use advanced sensors to take readings and detect issues like leaking or breakage with accuracy rate up to 98%. And they can even make fixes on the spot. Now, this means safer operations, fewer outages, and keeping human workers out of hazardous environments. Here he is with us tonight. Wow, looks like you have something for me. What is this? Let me have a look. Oh, wow, so hard. Wow, looks like 2 tickets to FIFA World Cup. So close? I think it's for me. Well, it's actually a World Cup reminder for all of you here. So be sure to scan the QR code for your chance to win tickets to the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Now, we'll announce the winner in just a bit. So grab your phone, and scan that code before the contest closes. All right. Thank you, buddy. Great job. Now, of course, we Lenovo isn't waiting for the next World Cup to innovate with FIFA. Now, let me show you one last example of our AI library. An enterprise solution we developed for FIFA. Now, FIFA is one of the world's most data-rich organizations with hundreds of matches every year, and also thousands of players around the world, and millions of data points. Things like game highlights, player stats, social media posts, and much more. Now, altogether, these amount to petabytes of data, and that is enough to fill 500 billion pages of text. So mining that data is a huge challenge. Lenovo worked with FIFA to create a customized enterprise knowledge assistant called Football AI Pro. Now, this next-gen solution directs a whole team of AI agents to search FIFA's vast data and deliver the right information in seconds. Now, here's what that looks like in action. Coaches can consider how their tactics could be worked against an opponent before their next match. And players get personalized match analysis. And analysts can compare team patterns using video clips and even 3D avatars that bring data to life. And Football AI Pro understands multiple languages. So it can interact with all 48 teams who will be competing at the 2026 World Cup. It is one step closer to the Lenovo vision of smarter AI for all. Now, get ready for a look at more ways Lenovo is working with FIFA to elevate global football. Thank you, and enjoy.
Everyone in the audience, let me hear it from the football fans. Again, myself included. Lenovo proudly sponsors the most popular sport on the planet, global football. The FIFA World Cup 2026, enabled by Lenovo AI, will be the biggest event in the history of our community. Lenovo is the global technology partner for FIFA, providing complete IT solutions. Our infrastructure technology helps referees make offside calls with confidence and almost no delay. We are creating AI-enabled 3D avatars so that the world's greatest players are represented more realistically than ever before. You will also see a stable field angle of the game, brought to you by the AI-enabled referee view solution from Lenovo. If you are a user of Lenovo and Motorola devices, you will get the first access to this amazing new footage delivered straight to your phones or PCs. Now, it's my honor to be joined by my friend, the president of FIFA, Gianni Infantino. How are you? Hello, Vegas. No, hello, Vegas. Do you hear something? Yeah. Hello, Las Vegas. Hello. Okay, now. Hi, Gianni. So football, we all know, unites billions of people across every culture, every continent. At Lenovo, our vision is smarter technology for all. So Gianni, how can we use AI to make football more inclusive, more accessible?
Well, why, my friends, thank you for having me
here in Las Vegas once again. Hello, Las Vegas! That's good. And of course, congratulations for everything you are doing. It is absolutely stunning, isn't it?
Yes, thank you.
And shall we clap hands for Wei. But the best comes now. First, let me tell you, the FIFA World Cup in 2026 is going to be the greatest show ever on planet Earth. 7 million people will attend the 104 matches, which are actually 104 Super Bowls. Dozens of millions of fans will travel to the United States, to Canada, and to Mexico to feel the FIFA World Cup vibe. And listen to that, 6 billion people will watch it from home. The world will stand still. Amazing. And now, this. FIFA and Lenovo will fully embrace artificial intelligence, football AI, to support teams and players, while also providing new mind-blowing experience to fans worldwide. Another word for that. Absolutely. Today, we launch Football AI Pro, a generative AI knowledge assistant. With Football AI Pro, we will democratize access to data by providing the most complete set of football analytics to all 48 competing teams, and soon, of course, to the fans as well. Thanks to Football AI, the next generation of the referee view, you know, this little camera, thanks to which we all see exactly what the referee sees. Well, this camera will show us new AI-enabled stabilized pictures to make the viewing experience absolutely unique. As if you are in the center of the field together with the players. And a third feature of Football AI will be that with AI-enabled 3D players' avatars, we are introducing precise player identification and tracking, which is a big, big advantage for our semi-automated offside technology, which means great images, faster decisions by the referees, and a clear understanding by everyone. But of course, dear friends, this is just the beginning. So my message to all the fans worldwide is, stay tuned, because more exciting developments with Football AI will come to create unforgettable experiences in the months and years ahead. Lenovo and FIFA, we are teaming up for the benefits of fans and football alike. That is exactly what smarter technology for all means. Together, we are ensuring that innovation benefits every player, every team, and every fan everywhere in the world, and of course, benefits the greatest game of all, football. That's such an inspiring message. Lenovo AI is powering the FIFA World Cup this year, and I'm confident that it will be a great success. To join you, I actually have prepared a gift for you. Actually, it's the latest
a ticket for the World Cup, or?
Yes, so definitely. It's the last product announcement for today. We are launching this FIFA branded Motorola Razr. It's the FIFA World Cup 26th edition.
For me?
It's for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's so special. Look at this. It's absolutely fantastic.
So this will be available as soon as next month. This phone will be sold through another global networking partner of FIFA, Verizon. So it shows how two of your biggest global partners can work together to bring the game to fans everywhere. So Johnny, thank you for joining me today.
Well, thank you so much, my friend. We say that what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, but what happens here today, you have to bring it all over the world. Thank you very much. Thank you for this fantastic partnership.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now, as we approach the end of our show tonight, let's ask the Lenovo Keynote to summarize what we have shown today. Angelina, could you help?
You got it, YY. Hey, Kira, go ahead and summarize tonight's content.
Today we saw how Lenovo is bringing hybrid AI to everyone. From the launch of Lenovo Kira and Aura Edition AI PCs to AI Cloud Gigafactory and AI inferencing servers, we are unleashing Lenovo Hybrid AI Advantage to enable real-time solutions for global enterprises like Formula One and the FIFA World Cup, bringing smarter AI for all.
Excellent summary, and thank you, Angelina and Kira. Now, let me invite all of our guest speakers back to stage. So thank you for joining me today. Now, let's see who are the winners of the FIFA World Cup tickets and trips. Congratulations to everyone here. If you didn't win a ticket, I still have a little gift for you all. Thank you here in Sphere and around the world online for joining this amazing tech world. Together, let's build a smarter AI for all.
We hope you are enjoying the Lenovo Tech World at CES and your Sphere experience. We will now have a brief intermission. Coming up during the break, U.S. Olympic champion and World Cup champion Alex Morgan, followed by a spectacular performance by Gwen Stefani,